Hey, AOK product reviews. It's Rich. Real quick, I wanted to shoot a video where you can see me flip that sucker open. That's the AKC Smarty. This knife's awesome. It's made in Italy. It's got D2 steel. But really the neat thing about it is look, there's no button. On this automatic, that's a button. You hit that button, flies open. And this automatic, this is the ProTech right here, the ProTech Godson. Hit that button, flies open. This, no button. You ask me,
how do you open it? Well,
see this right here? This little thing does like a little pivot. Pivot? Yeah. And then you pivot it back, it unlocks it, and you can shut it. Man, it's really smooth too. Telling you what, D2 steel, made in Italy. AKC Knives, Angelo Knives Creations. Yeah, check them out. It's about $70 right now on Blade HQ. This Godson right here, this ProTech Godson, about $150 right now. But it's made in America. 154 cm steel. Stick it to you. Deuces.